It's January 23rd, and all month now, it's been a really mild winter so far. So we have been cleaning up a lot of stuff around this food plot, because when we put this as food plot 2, when we put it in last year, if there's some storm damage that came through and knocked trees down. We're cleaning that up. But also, when we were putting the food plot in, and if the trees fell out of the food plot, just to get through it, we just left them out for then, so we could actually concentrate on the food plot. So we're cutting them up and getting them out of the way, because we noticed that when deer were coming into here this last year for the season, they had to go around. We really want to clean that up so they can move around a little more freely. It's never too early to start doing your habitat work.
Pitter patter, let's get at her.
A couple of things we really want to focus on for this year is better stand location and stand access, where we can get in and out of here without deer noticing. Because last year was, like I said, when we got this food plot in here, it was pretty late, and we kind of added a tree stand that was not in the greatest area. That deer didn't notice us. I didn't even in there for quite a while, but we can do a lot better. So we're gonna focus on that a little better this year, and then this year we'll be able to plant early, because the food plot's in, so we're going to be able to plant some screening, and so they feel a lot better being in there during daylight hours. So stay tuned. Today I'm working on the bottom where we were. We had a lot of trees down in here. There was a lot of trees in here that we had to cut up. I got a lot of them cut up. We're really probably going to have to wait for spring to get them up. So if we can't get in here, we're going to try to get this stuff out of here yet this year, or this winter, this month. But talking more snow in the week. Hopefully it don't amount to anything. But so hopefully we can get that out and cut up. We'll get more of this stuff cut up. And what we're doing here is, back here is the food plot, right behind the camera, and over here there's going to be an area where they can walk into a water source with a blind up there on top. So it'll be kind of a little ambush area. Back here is some more trees that I want to get cut up as soon as I can and get them all hauled out of here. And there's a brush pile we want to clean up, but we really got to do something with the north end of the food plot, because that isn't done yet. We really want to finish it and get it all in. We will be planting screen around the screening area around this food plot. So watch out for future videos. So anytime I can get anything done during the winter is less time I'm going to have to be doing this in the spring. And a lot nicer. It's a lot cooler. A lot better weather for doing this with no mosquitoes.